Long money cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, or so they thought. We here sort of will give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for long money, YFI, which is genuinely huge. The long money has in short order acquired truly extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested, and looking through the inquiries like is basically long money, YFI, a truly wise interest amazingly. Is YFI worth purchasing in 2023? Which especially is very critical. What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How high can especially long money go in a significant manner? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the long money expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized examination to principal past cost outlines in an unpretentious manner. Long money essentially past value examination as per the most recent market information. Today the cost of long money, YFI, is $19,924.09. And YFI fundamentally is as of now position number 96 in the whole crypto market, which generally is genuinely critical. The course supply of YFI basically is 36,638, with a market cap of $729,973,321 in most recent 24 hours. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the long money's cost by and large has shown an especially decent increment of 3.20% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, which is very critical. From most recent 7 days the long money was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.37%. Amazingly, YFI has shown areas of strength for really of potential, and this could be decent, an open door to in a real sense, dive right in and contribute. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost esteem and by and large beyond 30 days cost history, it in every practical sense is seen that long money has expanded 53.50% in its cost esteem. The typical exceptionally least cost for the 1 month is $8,909.11, while greatest really normal cost for the most part was $9,230.69. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to especially your arrangement of coins for especially long haul, which is very huge. The 90 days cost change is around 62.65%, and the cost flowed from a base sort of typical worth of $7,131.39. to kind of greatest normal worth of $7,609.16 in the truly beyond 90 days, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In most recent 4 months for the most part long money has shown a developing pattern. In this way, we generally imagine that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period in a significant manner. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of long money sort of is expanded from 4 months, in spite of prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost and in every way that really matters, significant way. The coin sort of is up by 64.22%, with the greatest kind of typical cost of the coin, essentially was around $7,255.57, and the base exceptionally normal cost of fundamentally was around $6,984.16 in truly beyond 4 months, which in a real sense is very huge. Long money value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We anticipate future YFI cost expectations long money figures by applying essentially profound counterfeit learning specialized investigation on the authentic value information of long money. We do our fundamentally awesome to gather greatest verifiable information for the YFI coin, which in a real sense incorporate different variables like especially past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into digital currency market, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Long money value expectation for 2023 as per our estimate. In 2023, the cost of fundamentally long money explicitly is supposed to reach at least value level of $18,927.89. The YFI cost can especially arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $21,518.02, with the extremely normal exchanging cost of $20,920.30 in an unobtrusive manner. Long money value expectation for 2024. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of long money is anticipated to sort of reach, at the very least, worth of $29,263.14. The YFI cost can sort of arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $35,289.77. With the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost of $30,099.95, in a genuinely significant manner. Long money value figure 2025-2026. The cost of buy and large long money, generally is anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at the very least degree of $42,227.15 in 2025. The long money cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $50,435.62, with the typical cost of $43,732.15 all through 2025. The cost of long money is certainly anticipated to, in a real sense, reach at an especially least degree of $62,603.68 in 2026. The long money cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $74,249.06, with the especially normal cost of $64,790.29 all through 2026 in a significant manner. YFI value expectation for 2027 explicitly long money cost is figured to arrive at a sort of the most minimal degree of $95,269.76 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the YFI cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $110,755.12. with the typical figure cost of $97,861.37. YFI value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of YFI, in 2028, the cost of basically long money in every way that really matters is determined to be at around a base worth of $141,055.99. In spite of mainstream thinking, the long money value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of $169,023.73, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $144,970.45 in United States dollars, in an unobtrusive way. Long money value expectation for 2029. The cost of one basically long money, YFI, is supposed to really reach at a kind of least degree of $205,443.67 in 2029. The YFI cost can in every practical sense arrive at a greatest degree of $245,966.05, with the typical cost of $220,000.